My hourly rate is about $1,500 per hour. I'm not saying this to brag, but to talk about the opportunity that there is for you right now to teach AI. Basically, there are a lot of companies out there who know they need to use AI, but they have no idea what the next steps are. And they find that they have employees who are already using AI without the company itself having policies in place to tell them how to do that safely without giving away secrets, etc. Because of this, there's a huge demand right now from companies all over the world who are looking to learn how they should be using AI. That hourly rate of $1,000 per hour or $1,500 per hour actually goes up if I'm teaching a large group. For example, I'm teaching a group of about 400 later in the year, and it's many, many thousands. I'm telling you this because as somebody who's watching this content right now, you are ahead of 98% of the people out there. The fact that you are seeking out content on a social media platform to learn about this stuff is kind of impressive. And you could push that, learn enough, put together your own presentations, do some outreach, and talk to companies within your city in order to find out whether they are looking for workshops. I think it's a massive opportunity right now, and I have people biting my hand off trying to get me in to come and talk to them. Now, I didn't personally find it easy to do this because I'm quite introverted. Like the idea of going and talking in front of crowds or running a workshop it doesn't come easily to me. So if you can combine AI knowledge, your ability to help companies with a natural inbuilt ability to speak, to communicate, to give workshops, then you're in a really good position. So this is particularly relevant for people out there who are already workshop facilitators or coaches of some type. If you add artificial intelligence into your offering when you go and approach businesses, you will get a good response. So I am toying with the idea, this is very early stages, but basically I think I could put together a course and a resource pack and even slides that you could go and use while talking to companies in your country. So it'd be me licensing my learning materials to you, and then you go and actually carry out the trainings. This is a super early idea, but if this is something that would be of interest to you, drop a comment here and that's going to allow me to gauge whether this is worth pursuing. As I say, there's a massive opportunity for this because companies need this and they want this and they know they want this. Importantly, they're also very willing to pay for it. I'm genuinely not sure what this package looks like. So if anybody does kind of work in this area of licensing and franchising out educational material, I'd love to chat because I would love to learn from your expertise. Yep, so drop a comment if you are interested in either one, teaching the material that I give in order to run your own workshops in your own city, in your own country, and two, if you work in this kind of educational space and you know how this model works, because this is new to me entirely. If you could drop a comment, that would be really useful, and we'll go from there. Cheers.